Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This marks the end of number system of bases, and the last topic is division of number bases, part 14. Okay, so under this part, it is advisable to convert to, to follow some steps. Okay, so though we have method one, but if you're not very careful, it's a bit complicated. Okay, so but let's quickly do this method two. We have step one, okay, which is convert to base 10 first. Okay, we need to convert to base 10 first. Then step two, we need to divide in base 10. So the meaning of divide in base 10 is just the usual division. Okay, like 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, it is assumed that 10 is in base 10, 5 is in base 10. I can do the normal division. 10 divided by 2 is what? Is 5. Or 20 divided by 5 is 4. You understand? So that is what I mean by is the usual division. Okay? For step 3, convert to the base in the question. We know how to do that. Okay, all you just need to do is just to draw your table like we did in one of our parts. Draw your table. Okay, put your value in base 10. Maybe you're converting to base 2. Then put your remainder in the other part. So you start dividing. So as a result of this, we are going to play around with this example one. Okay, this example one says that evaluate 2115 base 7. Okay, divided by 12 in base 7. So we'll follow the step as mentioned above. Okay, that is, we convert to base 10 first, then do the division, the usual division, okay, which we all know. Okay, then after that, we now convert to base in the question. So the base in the question in this case is base 7. So the base in question in this place is what? Is base 7. So then it means that at the end of the day, we can now get our final answer. So let's quickly touch base with this example here. So the first step, convert to base. First step, step 1, convert to base 10. How do we convert to base 10? Each of them, 2115 base 7, we convert it to base 10. So 2115 base 7. We want to convert to base 10. Place value 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the place value 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means this one is equals to 2 times 7 raised to power 3 plus, okay, that's 1 times 7 raised to power 2, okay, plus that's 1 times 7 raised to power 1, okay. So then we have plus 5 times 7 raised to power 0. So we want to quickly convert that to this 10. So what we're trying to do here, we're trying to convert 2115 base 7 to base 10. So the question we need to ask ourselves, 7 times 7 is what? 7 times 7 is 49. So 49 times 7, okay? So that's what we'll do. 7 times 7 is 49. So we just do 49 times 7, okay? So 49 times 7. So from there, I think from what we can do from, because 7 is a perfect square, the 7 times 7 for square root of 49. At the end of the day, you'll be getting 343. Yes, 343. So then it means that you will now have 2 times 343, okay, plus 7 times 7 is what? 14, plus 14, like this now. 7 times 7, 49, 49 times, and 7 times 7, 7 times 7 is what? 49, rather. So 49 times 1 is what? 49. So 1 times 7, Okay, 7 raised to power 1 is 7. 1 times 7 is what? 7. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. 5 times 1 is what? 5. So it means this one will now be equals to, so this one will now be equals to, let's clean this one. It means um, that's um, that's 3 times 2, 6, 4 times 2, 8, 3 times 2, 6, 6 is 6, plus 4, 9, plus 7, plus 5. So like this, we can quickly do addition 7 and 5. Okay, so that's 9 plus 16, okay, that's 15. So 15 plus 7, 22. 22 plus 5, that's what? 27. Carry 2. 10, 14. Carry 1. That's 747. So this is 747 in base 10. Okay, that is 747 in base 10. So that is the first one. We've converted step 1, convert to base 10 first. Okay, we've converted 2115 base 7 to base 10. Okay, the next thing that we will need to do here is to do what? Is to now convert what? 12 in base 7. So 12 in base 7 to base 10, 0, 1. Very simple. Very, very simple. Plus 2 times 7 raised to power 0. Okay, so we are converting 12 in base 7 to base 10. 1 times 7. 7 raised to power 1 is 7 times, so that's it. So 7 raised to power 0 is what? 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So this one is what? 9 in base 10. Okay, 9 in base 10. So it means, therefore, what is step 2? Step 2 says that divide in base 10 is the usual what? Division. Is the usual division. So that is, I've told you, the meaning of usual division is that 20 divided by 5 is equals to what? Is equals to 4. Okay, 20 divided by 5 is equals to what? Is equals to 4. So that is the meaning of usual what? Division. So it means that at the end of the day, we'll now have that's therefore this is step 1. So this is step 1. So step 2 will now be 747 divided by what? Divided by 9. Okay, step 2 will now be what? 747 divided by 9. Don't forget, all this part here is what? Step 1. Step 1. So now we can look at this very well. We look at this very well. 9 times 9 is what? 81. 9 times 9 is what? Is 81. So how many times can we divide? What can we see? How many times can 9 go in 747? Okay, how many times 9 can go in what? In 747? That is, it means if 9 times 9 is 81, okay, so it means 747 divided by what? Divided by 9 will give what? 83. So this is 83 in what? In base what? 10. This is the usual division. If you press your calculator, you will get your answer out. Okay, so if you press your calculator, you will get your answer out. Because if 9 times 9, 9 times 9 is 81. Okay, if I remove 9 from 81, if I minus 9 from 81, so it means that at the end of the day, I'll be having that's 70, that's 70, 72. Okay, so it means this is 8. So 9 times 8 will give me what? 72. 9 times 8 will give me 72. In JAMB class, you cannot make use of calculator. Okay, so 9 times 8 is what? 72. So 72, to remain 2 here. So the 2 that will remain here, that will be 9 in 27. That will give us what? That will give us 3. So it's as simple as that. So now, at the end of the day, what is step 3 now telling us? Therefore, step 3, what will step 3, what step 3 telling us? So step 3 is telling us that we should try and now convert back to base what? To base in the question, which is what? Base 7. Step 3 is telling us to convert back to what? To base what? To base 7. So what do we need to do? All we just need to do is just to draw our normal table. We want to convert 83 back to base 7. Just come here, draw your normal table. You have your 83, you have your 7. Okay, you have your 7, then you have your what? Your remainder. It's as simple as that. So that is step 3. You have your 7, then you have your what? Your remainder. So now what do we need to do? From here, we can now do our normal remainder. So here we'll say 7 in 8 is what? 1. Okay, it will remain 1. Very simple. 7 in 8, 1. It will remain 1 to make it 8. 7 in 13, that is still what? It's still 1. So in 13, then it means it will remain what? That is, it will remain like, that is 7 in 13, 1. It will remain like what? 6. Okay, so it will remain like 6. That is 7 times 11 is what? 77. Okay, 7 times 11 is what? 77. So 77, we have 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. That is 6. So it will remain 6. So can 7 go in 11? Yes, 1. It will remain what? 4. Okay, now we do it again. 7 can 1 divided by 7 is not possible like the way we usually do. So we write 0 and bring the 1 here to remain 1. So you count from the beginning to the top. So it means therefore, okay, therefore 2115 in base 7, okay, 12 in base 7 is equal to what? 146 in base what? 7. Don't forget, I've told you, you can write this in form of words, or you can also write it in form of what? In form of figure. But in the question is saying that we should write it in form of figure. So it's as simple as that. Step 1, convert to base 10, which we've done here. Convert to base 10. Okay. Step 2. Okay. What's step 2? Divide in usual division. So the usual division is being done here already. 747 divided by 9, which is what? 83 base 10. Okay. Step 3. Do your usual division. I've explained this over and over in most of the parts that we have under number system that are posted across our social media. Okay, just do this. Okay, 7 times 11 is 77. It will remain 6 to complete 83. 7 in 11 is 1. Then it will remain 4 to complete 11. Okay, 7 in 1 is impossible. You write 0, you bring the 1 here. So you start counting from the bottom to the top. 146 is what? Base 7. It's as simple as that. Please ensure that you continue to share, you continue to like. Let's reach a lot of young minds so that they can also benefit from this, from this online mathematics teaching. Okay, so follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, okay, and follow us on TikTok. Then and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can reach a lot of young minds, for them to see that mathematics is simple and is what? Interesting. Cheers.